Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to create a heat map type of pivot file in Advanced ETL Processor. Let's get this moving. I've already created the wizard for new reports. Select your connection. For me it is learning. This is my query. Click on all. Do you want any grouping? Not right now. Click on next. Next, finish. Okay, select it back again, save it, and if you preview it right now you will see all the data. Sorry, let's get rid of all the existing labels. Okay, increase the size, select cross tab object, drop it anywhere. Now for us, this one is supposed to be name, your review rank is in values, your review month is in columns. I don't want grand total, column totals. Click on OK, save. Okay, and you will see the reviews and the score that these guys have received. Okay, now let's start with formatting. Click on the value, and then from the toolbar click on highlight. We majorly have two values. The first one is equal to 2. Fill, select green, and in font select green again. Click on OK, save, and you will see that the values 2s have been coordinated with a good color. Now let's just select and let's take the value as 1, and we'll fill this up with yellow. Again, font would be yellow. Save it, and here we have it. Now if you do wish to get rid of the zeros or color them as well, now we can fill this up with let's say a diagonal object. We will select white, and our font would be white color too. Now here we go. Very pretty heat map. Hope this was helpful to you.